వస్తున్నారు, అదిగో మీకు అనిపిస్తోంది.
Show of strength in Bapatla by Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy's YSRCP. This, one day after the BJP, TDP and Janasena announced an electoral alliance in Andhra Pradesh.
ఇదే దత్తపుత్రుడి ఫోటో, ఇదే ఇప్పుడు చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు ఢిల్లీకి వెళ్లి ఏకంగా కూటమిగా ఏర్పడి పొత్తులోకి తెచ్చుకున్న మోడీ గారి ఫోటో. వీళ్ళు ముగ్గురు కలిసి చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు సంతకం పెట్టి ఈ ప్రతి పాంప్లెట్ ను కూడా ప్రతి ఇంటికి చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు పంపించాడు. ఇందులో ఇచ్చిన హామీలు ఏవైనా కూడా అమలయ్యాయా అని అడుగుతా ఉన్నాను. ప్రత్యేక హోదా ఇచ్చారా అని అడుగుతా ఉన్నాను. ఇలా 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 ఇలా
For its fourth Siddham or Ready for Battle meeting, the YSRCP mobilized over 10 lakh people and is asking why not 175. Jagan Mohan Reddy is banking on his massive rollout of welfare schemes and has dubbed it a class war on behalf of the less privileged against the TDP, who he dubs as capitalists. The YSRCP claims the alliance will help them by bringing them the minority vote. The BJP, TDP and Janasena are hoping to have a rerun of their dream run in 2014 when they fought the election together and Chandrababu Naidu became Chief Minister and the BJP was able to get 2 parliament seats in Andhra Pradesh. In 2019, when they fought the elections separately, they were vanquished. Chandrababu Naidu had to lose his Chief Minister chair and Jagan Mohan Reddy became the Chief Minister, winning 151 out of the 175 assembly seats and 22 out of the 25 Lok Sabha seats. The YSRCP has never been part of the NDA but has supported it on all critical issues in Parliament. The BJP is hoping that going with the TDP Janasena may win it some seats to increase its score from the south, as it does not have the required ground strength if it goes alone in Andhra Pradesh. In Bapatla with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.